In today's video, I am going to teach you how to apply custom formatting to the subject line in Gmail emails. Gmail does not give you built-in buttons to bold or italicize a subject line, but you can still make your subject stand out by creating styled text somewhere else, copying it, and then pasting it into the subject field. This works because the styling is carried over as special formatted characters. Start by typing the subject text you want to use in a place that lets you apply formatting. You can use a simple text editor or any online formatting tool. Type your subject line exactly the way you want it to appear, because you are going to copy it as is. Then select the text, and apply a style like bold or italic. Keep it readable. Short subject lines are usually more effective, and overly decorative text can be harder to scan quickly, especially on mobile. Once your text looks the way you want, copy it. Make sure you are copying the styled version, not just plain text. If you copy before the formatting is applied, the subject will paste back in without the special styling. Now go to Gmail and start composing an email. Click into the subject line field and paste the styled text you copied. Take a moment to review it after pasting. Some fonts and characters can look slightly different depending on the device or the email client, so it is a good habit to quickly confirm it still reads clearly and nothing looks distorted or missing. To make the subject even more noticeable, you can add symbols using the emoji icon in the subject line area. Click the emoji icon and choose a simple, relevant symbol. Use this sparingly. One symbol at the start or end of the subject can add visibility without making it feel cluttered. After inserting it, read the full subject again to make sure it still feels professional and easy to understand. At this point, your Gmail subject line should include the custom formatting and any symbol you added, helping it stand out in a crowded inbox while still staying clear and readable. And that is all there is to it.